This vehicle is equipped with a clever center console that can provide a variety of benefits to owners. Up front, note the pass-through for cables to connect mobile phones to the USB port below. Built-in guides help keep the cable in place, so users can easily connect and disconnect their phones in the upper deck. On models with the color audio screen, this USB port can be used to play audio files on a USB flash drive or other devices, and can charge devices at up to 1 amp. On vehicles with display audio, it's also where you connect your smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and can provide charging up to 1.5 amps. Note that display audio models add a 1 amp USB port in the console storage compartment. It too can be used to play audio files from compatible devices. There's also a 12-volt power outlet on the passenger side of the lower deck. You can use it to power compatible devices rated at no more than 15 amps or 180 watts. At the back of the console, the sliding armrest offers almost 3.5 inches of range for excellent comfort. With the armrest all the way forward, the dual beverage holder can hold a large cup. And with the armrest moved back, 2 large cups can be accommodated. There's also a beverage holder in the bottom of the console that can handle the largest cups when the dual beverage holder is moved rearward. Also movable is a handy small item tray for such things as loose change or ID badges. The console storage compartment is large enough to contain a number of items. A divider in the bottom helps keep things organized and prevent them from sliding around. And to hold very large items, the small item tray, dual beverage holder, and divider can all be removed to provide ample room.